Guess what? I got a great video for you. I'm going to show you, imagine this. Imagine going to pininterest.com, spending $0 and making 100 to 300 bucks every single day, okay? And guess what? It takes no investment. So this is my YouTube channel, but who cares about that, okay? Now, let me show you and let me log into the actual account that I've did this in the past 5 days. I'm gonna show you proof. It's September 3rd, okay? And if I log into one of my accounts here, let me show you here. Just wanna show you that it actually works, okay? Can everybody see my screen? Smash the like button if you can see this clearly here, okay? Here we go. And if you scroll down here, you'll see that I've made $157, September 2nd, 200, 100, 586. Okay, so this is the money that I'm making. And like I said, it's not a ton of money, but it's about 13 to 1500 bucks in about 7 days. Okay, so let me show you why Pinterest is a gold mine. Everybody's talking about YouTube ads. Everybody's talking about like Facebook. Those are great. But what I do is I find the gold mines that other people are not focusing on. Okay. And this is probably why I have a Lamborghini in my and a Rolls Royce in my living room. We'll talk about that later, but listen. Okay, check it out. Let me show you something here. All right, first thing you need is this. You need an affiliate link, okay? And you need an affiliate link. So let me log out of here. And the two sites that I recommend are this. Clickbank.com. Write that down, please. Okay. Clickbank.com. You see that? Clickbank.com. The reason why I give these guys so much love, because this was the first company. It's a merchant processor. It's an affiliate platform. And I made like $30 million with these guys here, okay? So it's a platform where you can search through and you can basically promote products for free. You don't have to spend any money with them. And if you do things in a very step-by-step way that I'm gonna show you right here in this video here, you can make money. And the next site that I recommend is Digistore, okay? Digistore, but I do recommend it as my top choice, and let me tell you why. These guys, they're kind of new, but I love these guys because they pay people like you out faster and they pay more money, which means their fees are just lesser than ClickBank. And if you're a brand new person, if you know nothing about the internet, this is what you want to do. Let me walk you step by step. And here's Pinterest here. And now you might be thinking, why is Pinterest so popular? Okay, let me tell you why. And write this down. 90% of women are using Pinterest because they like pictures of babies, pictures of cats, pictures of dogs, pictures of everything, motivational quotes, whatever. Right? So Pinterest is a gold mine, and it made me $1,500 last week, and I didn't spend a dime on marketing. All I did, I got up. You see, there's my TV. It's not on. I looked at my boy Steve Jobs. As you can see here, look. See, look, I have no pants on right now, and I sat here in my Versace boxers, and I made 1,500 bucks here. And I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. Okay. All right, now check it out. First step is this. You must have a Digistore 24 account. You just go to register now. Can everybody see that? Smash the like button, please. Yeah, go ahead and smash that because I'm gonna give you massive value. And you sign up for free. Now understand, most countries are able to get a Digistore account. You can see they're worldwide. Now understand this, if you don't see your country, don't cry and don't whine like a baby. Just find somebody in another country that is listed and ask them to create an account for you for free. Does that make sense? That's it. All right. So once you have your free account, let's go ahead and log into the account that I just showed you here. Is everybody with me? If you're with me, comment the word, let's go! Let's go, baby. All right. One thing about making money, you have to have some enthusiasm, okay? It's important. So you want to go to Digistore24.com. You're going to go to Marketplace, okay? Follow me here, okay? Pinterest is a gold mine. Watch this, okay? Guys, if you want me to stop saying let's go, hit the like button. I'm curious. Let's go! Look, check it out. Scroll down here. As you can see that my product, this is one of my products here, which is #1 on this platform. That's not important, okay? Now, but what's important is the affiliate link. And this is the link that you need to copy. Now, I like this product, but let me share something with you. Do you want to make some money or a lot of money? If you want to make some money, you can use this link. And the technique that I'm going to show you, it doesn't matter which link you use, right? I recommend this one because you only want to promote products on these platforms that are popular, okay? Something with a sales rank of #1. If you see #1, that's something that you definitely want to promote. But if we scroll down here, if you're like me, when I was staying in the hood or when I couldn't pay bills, I wanted to transition my life fast, not slow. So if that's you, then pay close attention. Done for you service, affiliate marketing service. Now this is one of my products and my business partner Ariella, right? So basically Ariella, she was just like you. She was new. She knew nothing about the internet. She's not technical. She didn't get it at all. I'm gonna be honest. She was just a good talker, but she didn't really understand any type of intelligence when it came to internet marketing. So I end up basically taking her under my wing and I made her rich. Okay, it's cool, right? But now what we do is in this link, we help other people get rich as well, fast, and it's working. So what you want to do as a brand new person is copy this. Are you with me so far? You want to copy that link. And then you want to go to a notepad right here, okay? Open up a notepad on your laptop and type that in. And then you want to go to a site by the name of bit.ly.com, okay? You guys with me? But look, scroll down here, okay? And I'm going to put my link there. I want to shorten that link. Why? Because other platforms like Pinterest, Facebook, and YouTube, they don't like affiliate links, so we have to disguise it. So we hit the shorten button. It's free to do. Copy that, right? And I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna copy my affiliate link. Now understand, that link is gonna get us paid. That link is gonna make us a ton of money. Make sense? Now, this is what you to do. Let me show you how easy it is. You go to Pinterest. If you have a Pinterest account, say Wesley, I have a Pinterest account, because you have to have one right now and take action right now to be able to do this, okay? And guess what? It's for free, okay? Then what you do is this. You type in words such as motivational quotes, okay? See that? Because a lot of women, not just women, men too, they like motivation, and that's cool. But people that like motivation want to make money. Listen, it's not like people don't want to be motivated broke people, even though it is a lot of motivated broke people on the planet. But people want to make money. Comment the word money below if that's what you're looking to do as you watch the video now. Okay? So it's so simple to do. You scroll through here, scroll through, and what you want to do is you want to click on different type of motivational quotes that have comments, okay? Because these people, see that? Wow, a great idea from a great genius. So Coco, I will click on her name, okay? Now listen, you don't want to comment under here with your affiliate link. And here's my script, and I'm gonna give you that script in a second here. But listen,
what is the most important?
I love that guy, man. He's motivational. Look at this, Coco, okay? And Coco Queen, you want to message Coco. Now the question is this: what do I message Coco? Easy. You go back here and you're gonna take the script that I'm gonna give you. Okay. Maybe I give you the script, or maybe I won't. I'm not sure. Okay. Screenshot that. This script works. This is what I've used in the past 5 days, and I made $1,500. Okay. Can everybody see this? See that? Hey girlie, I love your page. Because it's a girl, obviously, because 90% women on that site. And I noticed you were interested in motivation. And I was wondering if you had any success working online yet. This guy right here That's your affiliate link, right? This guy, or you can put this girl, because in actuality, it's Ariella and myself that's in the webinar. You can say this girl right here, or this guy and girl right here. It's up to you, right? It's really helping me out. Put your affiliate link there. And he said, after I made my first commission check, I should help others out like you, okay, like yourself. And it seems to be working out pretty well. See, so what I do is how easy this is. And listen, remember, you're in your boxers right now, you're wearing your pantyhose, or you're wearing your boy shorts right now, and you're not slaving at a job, and you're just doing this all day, okay? You're sending this. Now the question is this: how many people do you need to send this to, Wesley, before you make a sale? Well, me, honestly, I was sending to like 100 to 1,000 people a day. Now, obviously, maybe I wasn't doing this myself, and I can show you how other people can do it for you. But to do that, I sent it to 100 plus people every single day. I would do things like this. I was typing success. This works crazy. And the great thing about women, they tend to take action now. When they see something that makes sense to them, they just take action. So look at that. You know, I'll scroll down here. You want to look for the ones that have the comments and have people that are leaving messages. That's Denzel Washington. You go to the comments here. And like I said, you do this all day. I love him. Oh, what's up, Brendel? What's up, baby girl? Right? You message her the same link. See how I'm doing? Look, I just do this all day. Now listen, if you're working 8 hours a day and you're making 10 to 20 bucks an hour, that's a max of $160 in 8 hours of freaking work. If you do this for like a couple of hours, you can reach out to like 200 plus people. Listen, if you get one sale, that's 500 bucks. Do the math. How many of you can do that? Okay? How many of you can do that? That's so simple to do. And you just do this all day. Look, you turn the TV off, you look at your boy Steve Jobs, you listen to Wesley Virgin, right? And you just get busy. And you just reach out to all these people. Look at this. Look, you type in motivation like this. Watch this. I got to do this video fast because I got a massage in about, hold on, what time is it? Oh, I got to go. Look at that. Motivational quotes positivity. Why? Because people that buy services like Done For You services that you got from your digital store link, well, they're motivated people. They love motivation. Motivated people like to make money, like you. That's why you're watching the video. Now listen, leave your questions in the comment section below in this video. If you believe you can do this, say, Wesley, I can do this. You didn't spend any money. It's not a lot of effort and time. And listen, go get yourself a massage chair, take a nice warm bath, get you some champagne, and just do this like at night, after work, before work. It doesn't matter. And reach out to 100 to 1,000 people. You know, just keep doing it, and you will start to see sales. And it's too simple to do. I know a lot of people that does this, and I just did it, and it worked. Now listen, I know what you guys are thinking. You might say, Wesley, I love you so much, and this is why I'm a sub, and I'm gonna smash the like for you.